Our birthday list begins with Hannah Greenwood. Miss Hannah is celebrating the big number 4. Have a great day, kiddo. She's in Girard.
All right, what a cutie there. And turning 6 years old this morning, we've got Brian Dunbar. Looks like he's a big brother too, possibly. Brian is in Oswego, Kansas.
Melissa Redden celebrating the big 5-0. A little turn back the clock pick there. Melissa, these birthday wishes coming with love from the entire family. She is in Oronogo.
What a cute picture. Nice memory there. Denzel Voorhees celebrating birthday number 76 today. Denzel, happy birthday. And you are in Lamar.
And Lawton, Landon York, turning the big number 6. Happy birthday to Landon. And we got the Nicholson twins in Fort Scott. Paige and Kyra, they are now 15 years old. And so it's probably a little bit of a busy week in the Nicholson household leading up to Christmas and the girls having their birthday. So happy birthday, happy anniversary, and happy birthday to all on this December the 21st. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at koamtv.com. You can also go to our website, koamnewsnow.com. Speaking of the interweb, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
Yeah, that's right. You can be a part of the KOA Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website to sign up, and once you do, you'll be eligible for special prizes and deals from local businesses. So go to koamnewsnow.com, sign up for the KOA Birthday Club today.
We've been talking about December